Guilt tripping is a cunning emotional strategy that can really catch us off guard. It manipulates our feelings in surprising ways, often leaving us feeling lost. Picture this, your friend says, "I can't believe you forgot my birthday." In an instant, you're engulfed in shame. That's the essence of guilt tripping. It's not merely about feeling sorry. It's a tactic used to influence your actions. Sometimes it's subtle, like a soft whisper, but other times it strikes hard, creating total bewilderment. Imagine a parent saying, "After everything I've done for you," those words can ensnare you, overwhelming you with a sense of duty. Or think about a partner who uses guilt to steer your decisions. The outcome, a storm of confusion and uncertainty about your own feelings and choices. Identifying these patterns is crucial. Awareness is the first step toward freeing yourself from this emotional grip. So how can we combat this? Begin by establishing firm boundaries. It's vital to communicate your feelings honestly. When someone attempts to guilt trip you, stand firm. You might respond with, "I understand how you feel, but I have to prioritize my own needs as well." It's about recognizing your worth and refusing to let anyone dictate your emotions. Self-reflection plays a key role. Ask yourself, is this guilt genuine, or is it just a manipulative tactic aimed at me? Surround yourself with supportive individuals who respect your choices and uplift you. Remember, you are not responsible for other people's emotions. Taking a strong stance against guilt tripping is essential. Share your experiences and strategies in the comments. Let's foster a community that encourages each other and stands against emotional manipulation. Together, we can reclaim our power and live free from the burden of guilt. Guilt tripping can manifest in various situations, from family dynamics to friendships and workplace interactions. The challenge is recognizing it as it occurs. Often, we don't realize we're being manipulated until we take a step back and reflect. When guilt is weaponized, it creates a toxic atmosphere that can damage relationships. Breaking this cycle is imperative. Setting boundaries involves more than just saying no. It's about honoring your feelings and needs. Engaging in open discussions can eliminate confusion. By expressing your emotions, you encourage others to do the same, fostering a respectful environment. When someone tries to guilt trip you, consider their motivations. Are they genuinely hurt, or are they merely trying to exert control? Prioritizing your well-being is equally important. Take time to reflect on your feelings. Journaling can be a powerful tool to help you process your thoughts. Write down moments when you felt guilty and analyze whether those feelings were warranted. Surround yourself with positive influences who uplift you. Seek friendships that promote your growth and respect your boundaries. These supportive relationships can act as a buffer against guilt tripping. Always remember, you have every right to prioritize your own well-being. You owe no one an explanation for your decisions. Standing up against guilt tripping is a powerful act. Share your stories and advice below. Let's cultivate a community that celebrates strength and resilience against emotional manipulation. Together, we can support each other and create an environment where guilt doesn't hinder our progress. Living free from the weight of guilt allows us to fully embrace life. It opens doors to new experiences and strengthens our connections with others. Let's pledge to break free from guilt tripping and reclaim our emotional independence. Empowerment comes from recognizing our worth and refusing to controlled by others' feelings. By standing together, we can create a supportive space that encourages growth and well-being. Let's embark on this journey to emotional freedom, ensuring that guilt no longer holds us back from living our best lives.